Good evening. Hi, Puram here. I'm at Bateel Café. This cafe is in UNL, Qatar National Museum. This cafe is unique. It's my second time I'm visiting Bateel Café. And really, this cafe has a lovely history. It comes from the name of the ship. In my previous video, I have already explained about Bateel. Today I'm going to tell you only that this outlet is Ambience. I had a cappuccino, marvelous, marvelous, delicious, staff friendly, sitting arrangement, super, ambience, amazing. Do visit Bateel Cafe in UN. Doha. Take care. Bye bye.
In the vibrant cafe culture of Qatar, Al Batil Cafe stands out as a trusted name known for its premium bakery products, delightful desserts, and cozy ambience. Established in 1998, Batil began its journey to serve high-quality baked goods and has grown into one of the most recognized cafe and bakery brands across the country. Al Batil Cafe has built its reputation on consistency, quality, and craftsmanship. What started as a bakery has now evolved into a full-fledged cafe experience, offering a wide range of freshly prepared items with multiple branches across Qatar and beyond. It has become a go-to destination for residents and visitors. The cafe is especially famous for cakes, pastries, and desserts, which are prepared using high quality ingredients and modern techniques. What I love is red velvet cake, Victoria cake in Al Batil Cafe. You'll find also fresh sandwiches, specialty coffee and beverages, croissants, and baked snacks. Early Batil Cafe is amazing. When you walk into a Batil Cafe, you are welcomed by staff that is really elegant, and the cafe has a warm and unique ambience that blends modern cafe culture with Arabic traditions. Whether you are meeting with friends, having a personal discussion, or simply enjoying a quiet coffee break, the environment is relaxing and inviting.